years ago, animals and humans lived together in joyful harmony. But then, a wicked trickster called High Roller fooled the animals into thinking humans were their enemies. Chaos reigned until an army of heroes came together to protect the humans and end the war. Linda, Jumpy Ghostface, Mystique Sonia, Mighty Ray. This is Hero 108. Seagull King, let me assure you, First Squad wants nothing more than a peaceful resolution to...
I have never been fond of assurances, Ape Truly. Seagulls! Under orders from the esteemed High Roller, I command thee! Left phalanx in whirlwind attack! Immediately!
My wing won't lock! Go without me!
We were thinking the same thing, loser.
I think I tweaked my beak.
Sorry about that. Oh no! Jumpy crash!
Boomerang formation at once, my gulls! I will provide cover. And you! Are you unaware my airborne division waits for no aviator?
Wait for me!
Do we have to?
We hold our ground
And I'll take down as many as I can.
while Yaksha wraps them up.
Can't control my wings! Coming in for an emergency landing! Can't stop! And I can't swim well!
You're safe now.
Thank you.
Halt attack! I repeat, halt attack! Where are your manners?
I did say thank you.
Words are empty thoughts without the proper gestures. Excuse my son's forgetfulness. As a father, I am indebted to you for saving his life. As a king, I am indebted to you for your compassion towards your enemy.
We have no real enemies, Seagull King. Just the misinformed.
We were obviously misled by High Roller regarding your savagery. The Seagull Prince and I would be honored to join Big Green.
Our home is your home. And I must say, I am impressed by your command of the human language.
Remaining by fishing villages, we have learned many of your ways. But one of us still has much to learn.
And here is where I deliver my commands.
To be in your presence is quite inspiring, Ape Truly.
Why, thank you.
However, if I may be so bold, by the pillars earlier, your offer to me was, well, a bit uninspiring. You must project more. That way others will take you more seriously.
Okay. I will have to remember that.
My son has similar issues. I'm not sure whether he will ever be worthy of wearing the seagull crown.
You ever see a more pathetic bird? Hey, go easy on him, okay? No! I thought we were supposed to go easy.
I sure hope that wasn't anybody's special mug.
By special, you wouldn't mean having it since you were 5 years old, would you?
Oh, whoops. Sorry. That's better. So, what's for dessert?
Okay,
Even I think that was gross.
A painter, I see. Your ability to capture the essence of what battle means to First Squad is quite apparent.
Thank you.
But obviously, the fluidity of your brushstrokes are signs of an artist struggling to find a signature style. I could show you how to do it correctly, if you'd like.
I appreciate your offer. However, I prefer to master the creative process on my own.
Well, between you and me, we both know that could take quite a while.
Try.
Thanks. Nobody usually likes doing anything with me.
Finally! After 5 years, my transvector wavelength enhancer is operational!
It seems I must apologize again for my son. But please don't view his limitations as a reflection on me.
Perhaps you should look at your own reflection in the mirror and tell me what you see. Because I know what I see.
I'd stay away from me if I were you. I'm just one big problem to everyone.
Yet for every problem, there is always a solution.
Not for me. My dad's right. I'll never be a warrior. I have no skills.
That you are aware of. My master Tien Quan taught me about balance. Once you center yourself on land, in the air, you will soar with confidence. Anticipate. Concentrate.
Hyrule has released a squad of flying squirrels on a human village.
First Squad, deploy! I insist on joining your fight.
Me too. I'm ready.
I will tell you when you are ready. Follow my orders and remain here.
Come on, give him a chance.
He has used up all his chances.
Squirrels, they're just rats with bushy tails.
Good idea, Banana Breath. Make them even more mad.
Guys are driving me nuts.
Flying Squirrel King, we come in peace. But I hope not to leave in pieces.
What are you doing?
Following my own orders, Dad.
How did you?
I had some good teachers.
Mighty Ray, trees, hollow one out. Seagull Prince, I need your wings.
I wouldn't be here without you.
So let's end this together. must bottle up those squirrels.
That's right! Come and get me!
Everyone by the tree.
Dad?
I thought you would never ask.
We need to close up the hole.
Smoke screen!
We'll talk about this later.
I am sorry I underestimated you, son. And I apologize for overestimating myself to you. We have both learned some important lessons. The Seagulls will always be allied with Big Green, even when a new king takes the throne.
What? Really?
We must be going.
I'll never forget you guys!